I'm Shannon, and I'm going to teach you how to make a peppermint hot chocolate. So we're going to put the cup on the scale. We're going to tear out the scale, and then we're going to add 30 grams of hot chocolate. So now we're going to add a bit of hot water to the chocolate powder just to help it dissolve. We're going to mix vigorously. So then we're going to add the peppermint syrup. We don't have a pump at the moment, so for the time being we're using this. We're going to measure out 2 spoonfuls and add it to the milk. And because we are making a medium, we're going to do about a finger below the spout. So first we're going to purge. Then we're going to steam the milk to a latte consistency. So after you've steamed, wiped, purged, we're going to add it to our chocolate base. And you just top it with whipped cream.